Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Allison Alanna, and if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the way in. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always watching and supporting. I am sitting here after a long day, okay? I'm literally on the floor. I had my gospel music going on because, yeah, I'm really irritated. And at this point, in order for me to stay calm and collective, I just start singing my gospel songs, praying, worshiping, just trying to make an intentional effort to stay positive. So I got back in around maybe like 5 o'clock, and I have some paperwork and some things I need to get done. And everything that could go wrong has went wrong. It's not working on my phone. It's not working on my computer. I went to my scanner. I tried to scan it to my, scan it and just got a copy of it. So maybe I could use the scanner on my cell phone and scan it in that way. Like, I tried every single thing that I could possibly think of. Nothing is working. Now when I'm trying to do it in a different way from my phone, it's still not working. So it's like 9 o'clock at night. So 4 straight hours of trying to get something done. And this is what I be talking about. Whenever I get focused on something, most people can upload documents or do something in 5 to 10 minutes. Whenever it's me, it's taking 3, 4, 5, 6 hours, because it's like the devil, literally Satan, his trash can self, always just starts trying to do something and make something difficult and interfere. And now my phone works right every day. Why, when I'm trying to do something important or deal with important documents, is this now the button don't want to work, and I'm tapping on the screen, now all of a sudden stuff can't get tapped? Like, y'all ever notice that? Let me comment below and let me know, am I the only one that goes through that? Like, you trying to get something done important, you focus, you got, you doing you and taking care of your stuff, and all of a sudden everything why on earth would it take me 4 hours to scan and upload stuff? iPhone have a scanner. I didn't even have to go use my regular scanner. Why, when I went to go do that, I couldn't do it because I got to download something to my computer? And I said, okay, I'm gonna just make a copy of it, and I could just scan that from my cell phone. Still not working. So it's just been a crazy day. It's been a crazy, crazy day. But I'm here. I'm trying to remain in good spirits because, I mean, what else is there to do? And it's late. I didn't vlog all day, so I just figured I would pick up the camera. I might actually go live tonight. I don't know. If y'all see me tonight, then I went live. If y'all don't, then I didn't. But I'm about to try to finish this up, because like, once I start something, and that's how a lot of my time be getting wasted too, because once I start something, I refuse to stop. I refuse to stop until it gets done. And 4 hours have went by and I'm still trying, because I mean, it's just ridiculous. Like, it's always a fight, a push, a pull, a freaking horror movie just to get one simple thing done, especially if it's important. So yeah, I'm not even playing this trash tonight with Satan, aka Trash Can, because yeah, I already know it's him. And so I'm just going to make sure this gets done tonight. I got to leave out early again tomorrow. Like, I got stuff to do, and I done wasted 4 hours of my day trying to take care and upload documents that just won't work. All right, so I decided that I'm gonna go live. I'm actually gonna go live in about 20 minutes. So I'll see y'all on the live. And I think I got a little topic I want to talk about tonight as well. Kind of like a little variety, so to speak, but mostly about stress. I noticed a lot of people have been coming in my comments talking about if it was them, they would be stressed, that they handle their stress differently from me, and that's a normal thing. Everybody don't handle their stress the same exact way. So I wanted to just come on and talk about my day, because my day was, like I said earlier, a little more on the stressful side, or frustrating side, because I was trying to get something done and it just refused to work. I still haven't gotten it done. So I might try a couple more times tonight, and if not, I'll do it tomorrow. I still do have time, but I don't want to waste my time. You know what I mean? So I have a couple more days to get it accomplished, which is why I'm just gonna give myself peace for tonight if it doesn't work out. But I don't want to delay much longer anyway. So we're gonna talk about some stress management and cross that kind of like with some biblical stuff and anything else that I feel might be informative and beneficial to y'all tonight. All right, so I'll see y'all in the live. Bye. There is something, I have no idea what the heck is in here, but something is flying like, I don't even know where it just went. Oh, I just got off live with you all. It was a pretty good topic about stress management, top tier ways to handle stress. If you haven't already caught that live, go ahead and catch it. And you might want to take a little notepad to write down some of the verses, the Bible verses that I shared in there, because it might be a benefit to you. But yeah, it was something just making a noise in here on the wall. And I look and something's just flying through, like, oh, I'm one of them people that just, I can't do bugs because I have really sensitive skin. And even just the thought of something creeping and crawling in here or flying in this case, I just immediately start itching. Like that's just how my mind works. I don't like that at all. It just, nah, I can't. That's one thing that I wish I had known about living here before I moved here. I had no idea what I was going to be facing. The what is it? The attacks, the attacks of Mother Nature are quite more severe down here. Okay, this is crazy. And I really wish I knew where that thing went, because I ain't trying to go get caught off guard once I go in this kitchen. I don't got time for that. I don't need nothing touching me. Just, if you in here, I don't even feel like fighting with you tonight. Just don't touch me and we'll be straight. So I went in my room to go gather up the laundry. And when I came in here to start putting the stuff in the machine, I had the nerve to see that daggone bug. I just wore his tail out. How dare him be in this kitchen? Like, I won't be playing with no bugs. So I have peace of mind now that he won't be creeping and crawling around on me tonight. Because, yeah, I wouldn't have been able to really rest and sleep. So I'm about to just put this laundry in here now. All right, so I'm doing Ace's laundry. He just never seems to have any clothes. So we gotta get my boy right. We gotta get our boy right. And I don't know what kind of sleep I'm getting tonight, because I gotta leave out early again tomorrow. And I just need to make sure that they got clothes and stuff to wear. I might have to even wash a load for August as well. I don't think any of his shorts are clean. Alright, so to help me stay up a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and make me a chicken patty sandwich, because I am somewhat hungry. Plus I gotta finish this laundry. So I'm gonna make me a sandwich real quick. Get my little lonely patty in the pot, in the pan by its lonesome. So I'm gonna just toast my bread right here in the pan, just a little bit, and then add the chicken patty on there. I don't have no more mayonnaise, no more hot sauce, no more Chick-fil-A sauce. So it's gonna be a rather plain sandwich, but I know it's still gonna be good. All right, so I found some Italian dressing in the refrigerator. I'm gonna just put a little bit on. Just to have a little bit of something on there. And then bam. Quick sandwich ready to go. So yes, this sandwich came out really good. I got a bottle of water with electrolytes added for taste. I don't even taste no difference in this water. Some waters that be saying they got electrolytes in them do be having like a really strong, distinctive taste, but this, I don't even taste no difference. That sandwich was good. I should have made myself 2 of them. And I'm getting tired, but I want to throw a load of clothes in the machine for August as well, because he needs shorts, clean shorts to wear for the rest of the week. So after that, I'm gonna call it a wrap, because I am tired. Look at my eyes, good Lord. I might want to throw on a pair of shunts. I might want to throw on a pair of sunshades. I can't talk tonight. Something's wrong. Something's wrong with my vocal ability tonight. I don't know if it's because I'm so tired or what. My eyes irritated. I don't know. I kind of feel like something's kind of setting my allergies off now. But yeah, I'm exhausted. I was trying to say I'm probably going to put on some sunglasses for the rest of the video. You know what? I'm just going to get off the camera.